Ahoy there! I'm Potato King's first mate, Maris Piper, and I want to tell you about this special thing called binary. Now, looking at all those ones and zeros can be really confusing at first. Poor Tato fried his brains trying to figure it all out. But don't worry, we will guide you through it. A computer can only understand two things, on or off. Hence, we use these ones and zeros to represent on and off respectively, which can then represent different numbers. That's why binary is so important. It's how computers think. And no, this doesn't mean your math teachers were wrong about what they taught you. Now, how does a computer even recognize these ones and zeros? Picture some wires with electricity flowing through it connected to the computer. This wire can either be on or off. And that's exactly what a computer uses to recognize these ones and zeros. So how do these ones and zeros become numbers then? To understand this, first let's look at the decimal system. We know that numbers are formed from digits 0 to 9, and this is to the base of 10. Remember the tens, hundreds, and thousands we learned in math class? That is to the base of 10. Each position starting from the right is given the position number or index, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So we get the ones, tens, hundreds by actually having 10 to the power of the index number of that position. It's the exact same thing in binary. So we start from index 0 from the right. Each position is allocated the base of 2 to the power of that index. So in this case, we get 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now, if I want to write my crew of 10 in binary, how do we do it? Remember the different numbers at each index which we talked about earlier. We need to find out how to get 10 from these numbers. 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on. So for 10, we could add 8 and 2. To do so, we will turn off index 0, on index 1, off index 2, and on index 3. This way, we would only end up using 8 and 2. So the binary number based on the on and off sequence will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Adding 8, 0, 2, 0 together, we get 10. Easy, right? Now, is anyone up for a little challenge? Write down in the comment section what you think is the binary number for, let's say 43. Let's see if anyone is as smart as Potato King. And go!